Under the hood, things are completely different. Sawubona Mzansi. In keeping with the theme of last week's update, let's jump into part 2 of Redesign and Align. This week we have 6 new features, 1 quality of life improvement, and 2 bug fixes. 5 out of the 6 new features are redesigns to previous packages within MIH, and that's the Mzansi profile, the Mzansi wallet, MIH access, calculator, and biz profile. And the 6th feature is a Reddit link added to the About MIH page. Let's jump onto MIH to see what the redesigned packages look like. The first package that we'll check out is the Mzansi profile. If we click on it, we can see that on the top right hand corner, there's a new tool icon, and our profile is now covered with a border. Everything might look the same on the surface, but under the hood, things are completely different. Let's have a look at the biz profile. Just like the Mzansi profile, everything here looks the same and all the functionality works as expected, but under the hood, things are completely different. Next, we'll check out the Mzansi wallet. Here you'll see that we've removed the add card button from the top of the screen next to loyalty cards to now a floating button on the bottom right hand side of the screen. If we click on this, everything else remains the same and you can add your cards normally. Next is the calculator. Again, everything looks the same, but things are different under the hood. We can swipe over to our tip calculator and everything works as expected. And lastly, we've renamed the access package to MIH access. If we click on this, all the functionality is exactly the same, but under the hood, things are different. Moving on to the quality of life improvement. This improvement was made to the About MIH package. On the left hand side, you can see that previously we used to just have an install MIH button. So if you're using the web version of MIH, you would see an install MIH button. And depending on the type of device that you're using, it would navigate you to the correct place. But we've changed this. So depending on the type of device you're using, it'll either say install MIH from the Play Store, install MIH PWA, or if you already have MIH installed as the Android version, you'll now see a new button which says update MIH. Let's see how this new button works. If MIH is already installed from the Google Play Store and you would like to update it, all you have to do is click on the About MIH package, scroll up a little bit, and now you'll see the new Update MIH button. If we click on this, it'll then take us through to the Google Play Store where we can update MIH. Let's see what bugs were squashed this week. In the previous week's update, we've introduced the new calendar package and the new patient manager package. But there was something that we forgot to do. If we have a look at the left-hand side of the screen, if we click on the calendar tile, we'll click on the 12th and we'll try to scroll through our appointments. You are not able to scroll through your list. If we have a look at the right-hand side, we can see that if we click on the calendar package now and try and scroll through our appointments, we can scroll through them. And that's everything that was released in this week's update to MIH. Leave a comment to let me know if you've updated MIH and tried out these enhancements. And leave a comment to let me know what you think we should work on next in MIH. Let's keep working hard, Mzansi.